Today we are at 115 Bridge Street in historic Lincolnville in the nation's oldest city, St. Augustine, Florida. This is quite the property, now called the Griffin Estate. It was built in 1810 and has been remodeled multiple times. We're gonna take you guys through and show you the work they're doing. It is very, very impressive. John Valdez is the general contractor working on this, and that's how we got involved. He called me and said, Austin, we've got a cool tree. I was hooked already. This is part of the Magnolia tree that fell in 2016, right there. That Magnolia tree was over 200 years old, and it fell through the roof, collapsed the whole corner of the house, which led to the building actually being condemned. That's when the Griffin family purchased it a few years later, and they have put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this place, making it look top notch. So this is a little shelf that we made for the scullery, which is kind of the prep kitchen, catering kitchen when they do big events. So let's take a little walk in, I'll show you what's going on.
Took it down, I told John, I want a piece of the trim carpet for John. I said, I want some of that.
We're making a giant mirror right here out of it. That's why they got this little sample there. They're trying to kind of piece it into the mirror. And I made this for the scullery for the prep bathroom in there.
Man, it's pretty.
When they have an event with a caterer, this is where all the catering will go down. They'll serve the food out here. Very modern look in this house. But when I saw this space, I said, you know what? I think we could take a piece of that tree and do something like that, which I think looks pretty cool. This is the old guards' quarters. So this is the old coquina from 1810. And this window, you can see it comes at an angle, and that's how the coquina was at this angle. It's a little guard, little rifle box. In part 2 of our Griffin Estate video series, we'll be taking more of the Magnolia and turning it into this mirror. We'll show you a few of the steps that go into making something like this. Then in part 3, you'll get to see it all come together as we install the mirror and go to the grand opening event of the property, which was a great event.